In a world where creativity and deepwoken is dead, and attunmentless medium and mage builds have taken over, one man has taken it into his own hands to save Chines. He stands above the rest when it comes to skill, being top 10 in deepwoken. Is this man our last chance, or will we succumb to the same meta builds made by top 100s for shitters in low rank to imitate and try to be fucking annoying and spam garbage? I mean, will he save Deepwoken, or will it fall to ruin?
Yo, give me something to dance to. Yo, give me something to dance to.
Home run!
Yo, give me something to dance to. Yo, give me something to dance to.